Welcome, dear viewers, to the verdant heartland of Punjab, Pakistan. Our destination today is the often overlooked city of Sahiwal, a place where the rhythms of life are deeply entwined with the land itself. Known for its agricultural significance and rich history, Sahiwal offers a unique blend of nature and culture, unlike any other. Join me as we venture into this captivating region, exploring its fertile plains, uncovering its hidden treasures, and meeting the wonderful people who call this place home. Sahiwal lies nestled in the central plains of Punjab, a region where the land stretches out flat and seemingly endless in all directions. The vastness of these plains is both humbling and awe-inspiring, a testament to the sheer scale of nature's canvas. This is a land shaped by the forces of nature, a land of subtle beauty. The gentle undulations and the interplay of light and shadow create a serene and tranquil environment. The climate here is what is known as semi-arid, with long, hot summers that bake the earth and bring the promise of life-giving monsoon rains. These rains are eagerly awaited as they breathe new life into the parched land. Winters are milder, offering respite from the intense heat, and it is during these cooler months that the landscape truly comes alive. The fields turn lush and green, and the air is filled with the scent of blooming flowers. Rainfall is relatively low here, a precious commodity that dictates the rhythm of life in this region. Every drop is cherished, and water conservation is a way of life. The lifeblood of Sahiwal, and indeed of this entire region, is the mighty Indus River. Its waters, originating high in the Himalayas, snake their way across the plains, bringing with them the fertile silt that has sustained civilizations for millennia. This silt enriches the soil, making it incredibly productive. It is this fertile soil, deposited over countless seasons, that makes Sahiwal an agricultural powerhouse. The region is known for its bountiful harvests and diverse crops. Vast fields stretch as far as the eye can see, a patchwork quilt of greens and browns, a testament to the enduring relationship between humanity and the land. The farmers here have a deep connection to the soil, a bond that has been nurtured over generations.
Agriculture is the lifeblood of Sahiwal, a symphony of sights, sounds and smells that permeates every aspect of life. The rhythm of the seasons dictates the pace of work, and the land responds generously to the care it receives. Here the land is generous, providing a bounty of crops that sustain not only the local population, but also contribute significantly to Pakistan's agricultural output. The fields are a patchwork of colors, each crop adding its own hue to the landscape. Wheat, the staff of life, flourishes in these fertile plains, its golden stalk swaying gently in the breeze. This crop is a staple, forming the backbone of countless meals and traditions. Cotton, too, is a major crop, its fluffy white bolls a common sight in the fields. This versatile plant is integral to the textile industry, providing raw material for fabrics that are used both locally and internationally. And then there is sugarcane, its tall stalks reaching for the sky, a source of sweetness and sustenance. The juice extracted from these stalks is a local delicacy enjoyed by many. But Sahiwal's agricultural prowess extends beyond these staple crops. The region is also known for its diverse range of fruits and vegetables, each contributing to the rich tapestry of local cuisine. It is a region renowned for its livestock, particularly its dairy farming. The cows here are well cared for, producing milk that is a vital part of the local diet. The air here often carries the gentle lowing of cattle, a testament to their importance in the local economy. These sounds are a comforting reminder of the region's deep connection to its agricultural roots. These animals are more than just livestock. They are a source of livelihood, a part of the social fabric, and a symbol of Sahiwal's agricultural heritage. The bond between the people and their animals is a testament to the enduring legacy of this fertile land.
While Sahiwal is primarily known for its agricultural landscapes, pockets of natural beauty dot the region, offering respite from the hustle and bustle of rural life. These green patches are not just visually appealing, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of the area. The Sahiwal Livestock and Dairy Research Institute, a renowned center for agricultural studies, stands as a testament to the region's commitment to scientific advancement in agriculture. This institute not only focuses on livestock and dairy research, but also on sustainable farming practices that benefit the local community. But beyond its academic pursuits, the institute's grounds offer a surprising oasis of green. These lush grounds are meticulously maintained, providing a serene environment for both students and visitors. Trees line the avenues, providing shade from the scorching sun, and well-maintained lawns offer a sense of tranquility. These green spaces are perfect for leisurely walks and moments of reflection. The Rory Hills, low-lying ranges that rise gently from the plains, provide a scenic backdrop to the city. These hills are a natural wonder, offering a peaceful retreat from the urban environment. These hills, though modest in size, offer panoramic views of the surrounding countryside, a patchwork of fields and villages stretching towards the horizon. The view from the top is truly breathtaking, showcasing the region's agricultural richness. And then there is the life-giving Ravi River, its waters meandering through the landscape, a source of both sustenance and serenity. The river's gentle flow brings a sense of calm to the otherwise bustling rural life. Along its banks one can find a different kind of beauty, a wilder, more untamed beauty. The natural riverbank scenery is a haven for wildlife and a perfect spot for nature enthusiasts to explore.
Sahiwal, once known as Montgomery during the British colonial era, carries a rich history within its heart. The city's very name speaks to its past, renamed after Pakistan's independence in honor of the valiant Sahiwal tribe that once roamed these lands. This blend of history is palpable as you wander through the city streets. Traditional bazaars bustle with activity, their narrow lanes filled with the scents of spices, the sounds of vendors hawking their wares, and the vibrant colors of silks and textiles. Here, age-old traditions mingle with modern life, creating a unique cultural tapestry. Step into a local tea house, and you'll be transported back in time. The aroma of strong, sweet chai fills the air as locals gather to share stories, discuss the day's events, and engage in lively debates. This is where the soul of Sahiwal truly reveals itself, in the everyday interactions of its people, in their warmth, their hospitality, and their deep connection to their heritage.
While Sahiwal may not be renowned for its large wildlife reserves, look closely, and you'll find that nature has woven its magic into the very fabric of this region. The skies above Sahiwal are often filled with the graceful flight of birds, their calls a constant soundtrack to life below. Kingfishers, with their vibrant plumage, dart along the waterways, while majestic raptors circle high above, their keen eyes scanning the landscape for prey. Near the Ravi River, where the land is wilder and less touched by human hands, one can find a greater abundance of wildlife. Small mammals, such as jackals and foxes, make their homes in the undergrowth, while reptiles, including various species of snakes and lizards, bask in the sun's warmth. The air buzzes with the sound of insects, a reminder of the intricate web of life that exists even in this seemingly domesticated landscape.
Sahiwal's agricultural richness offers a unique opportunity to experience the tranquility of rural life through agritourism. Imagine waking up to the sounds of roosters crowing, the air fresh and fragrant with the scent of dew-kissed earth. Spend your days learning about traditional farming practices, passed down through generations, from tilling the land with oxen to harvesting crops by hand. Visit local farms and witness the daily routines of rural life, from milking cows to tending to livestock. Engage with the local farmers, their faces weathered by the sun and etched with the wisdom of generations spent working the land. Learn about their challenges, their triumphs, and their deep connection to the soil. In the evenings, gather around a crackling fire as the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, and listen to tales of the land, stories passed down through generations.
No exploration of Sahiwal would be complete without paying homage to its namesake, the magnificent Sahiwal cattle breed. These majestic creatures with their distinctive humps and gentle eyes are a source of immense pride for the people of this region. Renowned for their high milk yield, Sahiwal cows are considered one of the best indigenous breeds in Pakistan, their milk prized for its richness and flavor. Their resilience to harsh climates and diseases makes them ideally suited to the local environment, a testament to generations of careful breeding and adaptation. Visit a local dairy farm and you'll witness firsthand the care and respect these animals receive. They are more than just livestock, they are an integral part of the community, their well-being intertwined with the prosperity of the people. The legacy of the Sahiwal cattle breed is a testament to the enduring bond between humans and animals, a relationship built on mutual respect and a shared dependence on the land. While Sahiwal itself offers a wealth of cultural and natural treasures, venturing beyond its borders reveals even more of Punjab's rich heritage. Just a short distance from Sahiwal lie the awe-inspiring Katas Raj temples, a complex of ancient Hindu temples nestled amidst the Salt Range Hills near Chakwal. These temples, with their intricate carvings and serene reflecting pools, offer a glimpse into the region's diverse religious past and stand as a testament to the enduring power of faith. Further afield, near the bustling city of Sahiwal, lie the ruins of Harappa, one of the largest cities of the ancient Indus Valley civilization. Here, amongst the crumbling brickwork and excavated artifacts, one can almost hear the echoes of a civilization that thrived over 4,000 years ago. Walking through these ruins is like stepping back in time, a humbling reminder of the vastness of history and the enduring legacy of human ingenuity. As we bid farewell to Sahiwal, we carry with us the sights, sounds and stories of this remarkable region. We've witnessed the bounty of its land, the warmth of its people and the echoes of its rich history. Sahiwal may be a hidden gem, but its brilliance shines brightly for those who take the time to discover its treasures. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Sahiwal. We hope that it has inspired you to look beyond the familiar and to seek out the hidden gems that our planet has to offer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more explorations of hidden gems around the world.